Snowdon, highest mountain in Wales, highest mountain in England, so everybody wants to conquer it as fast as they can. It's a personal challenge, but over 500 runners every year, but some people got to be disappointed because they can't enter the race, but there we are, health and safety, we've got to do a limit.
Coming from all over Britain, Northern Ireland, coming up, Slovenia, Italy, France, got all over the world. The guest houses here are full, not only Llanberis itself, but the surrounding areas as well.
And are you going to be running yourself?
I think I'll start next week, perhaps. Start training for the next year.
Andy Jones from England, now at halfway bridge, on his way down. Andy Jones from England, leading the main race at the moment, now at halfway bridge. Number 2, who is number 2, from England, Officer Cynnes, Ian Holmes.
I like this race. I'd do more of these races if I could logistically get to the races, because a lot of them obviously in Europe, and my job doesn't really allow for much time off during the job itself. I get a lot of time off throughout the year, but not much time off during actual term time.
What was the most difficult part of the course for you today?
Probably the number of people up there. A lot of people are up there now due to the cafe reopening, and obviously that's great to see. But one or two people, especially with the poles, get in your way a little bit, which is fair enough, it's a public right of way, so you expect that. But it makes it a bit more difficult. You're already thinking, and you're fatigued and you're tired, and you're thinking about where you're putting your foot because you don't want to fall. And then you're also thinking about the man with the dog and the lady with the poles getting in your way as well.
Now, this is your fourth time.
Win.
Is there going to be a fifth win?
I definitely hope so. I'm definitely coming back for it, so yeah.